We would feel right there. If we keep